Hi, in this video, I spent 5 minutes walking you through the main features of Portseido. So we are global portfolio trackers covering stock, fund, ETF, and crypto with tons of interesting analytics and visualization to help you easily track and analyze your portfolio. So let's dive in. So assuming you have set up the portfolio and add all the transaction, you'll land on our main homepage. So the homepage contains all the essential information you might want to see first thing on a daily basis. So we have the portfolio value in the big number and a beautiful graph showing the value over time. You can look at the return today, overall, and you can click here for more detail, breakdown to unrealized gain, dividends, fee, and so on. So on the right, we also have a benchmark portfolio, what we call as a what is performance. So it's give a portfolio, assuming that every time you deposit your cash, you buy an index instead. So it's the right way to compare if you put in cash or take out cash frequently. And also we have key stat of your portfolio covering drawdown beta, and you can request for more stat if you like. We're happy to add more. Going down, you see the beautiful graph of your portfolio over time. You can look at different things from gain, cash holding, and also drawdown. You can select different kind of return, money weight, time weight, simple returns, and you can read more about it here by clicking here. Going down furthermore, you see the select benchmark performance, quite straightforward. You can edit the benchmark here right away, quite convenient. And going down further is one of my favorite parts. It's a chart that gives you information on your top gainer and loser in different time periods. It can help you know which position has been dragging you down or lifting up your portfolio performance. You can look at them at ticker sectors, country, asset class. And again, feel free to request for more factors to group as well. I would be happy to add more for you. And the last part of the homepage is the main holding table with all the information you need from the location, current price, average cost, gain. And you can click in the bar above to dig down further. We have many more useful information in this table. And that's pretty much it from the homepage. So next, let's go to the performance page. In the performance page, you will see all the performance of your portfolio in different angle in the form of a summary table compare with all the benchmark. Again, you can select different kind of return calculation that you like. Going down, we have a monthly performance in the beautiful bar chart where you can look at your return over time. You can also looking at excess return, which measures your return relative to benchmark is set to see if you beat the market or not in each month. And further down below, we have the main performance table, which displays the number in different period, monthly, quarterlies, and annually. You can look at the return compared to the benchmark in the table, or you can drill down a bit further in the balance tab as well. Right. So the next one is the allocation page. So we have a nice pie chart of your current portfolios. You can also look at the allocation by cost or by gain, which tell you where the majority of your gains come from. Same thing for loss, although there's no loss in this demo portfolios. You can also look at all these informations not only on the ticker level, but also by sectors, country, industry, market, and asset type, and so on. And moving down, we have the same holding table we saw in the homepage with all the detail of your holdings. You can drill down further in the tab here as well with many kind of informations of all the holdings. For the next page, we have trade analysis page. We give you a visualization of your trade and also a trade by trade informations and the performance. On the visualization side, you can hover to view some detail of your trade and also select tickers to sort of drill down as well. Down below, we have a trade by trade performance and also compared to the benchmark, meaning that if instead of buying these tickers at that time, you put the money on the benchmark instead, which one performed better. And again, you can click on the tickers to sort of see the filter by tickers, and then it appear in the visualization above as well. So the next one, we have a dividend page. This is one of the most visited page from our user. Here we automatically add and track all your dividends, not only all the dividend received, but also the project dividend as well. We show here the statistic of your dividend received, portfolio yields, yield on cost. We have a pie chart to visualize where most of your dividends come from, and we have a nice calendar on the right to easily see when you'll be receiving your cash. Going down, we have a bar chart to help you visualize the dividends you already received and also the upcoming one as well. And lastly, we have a table to display all this information I mentioned above in more detail. So the last feature is our most recent feature, which is called goal trackers, where you can set your goal or plan and track how you progress toward it. You can click the edit plans on the top right. You can then set up all the info from starting date, time horizon, the starting values, how you want to contribute over time, and then you can calculate what's the end goal look like and save the plans once you're done. And that's it. Then you have a nice visualization overlaying your current portfolio performance or portfolio value over time with your set goal and see how you progress in comparison to your goal. We also have a table below to show in more detail similar informations, help highlighting if you're over and under your plan in each time period. And the next page is a transaction page. This is not a feature per se, but it gives you information on all trades and transaction that you input and how we process and or adjust them. This will help you investigate if the number shown on Portseido doesn't seem correct to you. You can also change the source of your transaction from either like a Google spreadsheet or manual input in the website or import from the brokerage statement. The last one is the setting page, which contain all the setting you can configure for the site, your payment. So please subscribe if you find Posito useful. You can set the dark mode or the light mode, a calculation method for your average cost, your portfolio setting below, things like portfolio currency, benchmark, transaction sort, etc. And lastly, if you have any issue, any feedback at all, you can always reach out to us easily by clicking the report issue or feedback here. And you can also email us at support@posito.com. So if you enjoy this walkthrough video, please subscribe to the channel as we'll be putting out more video like this and all the tips and tricks and more detail on how you can fully use a Posito. And that's pretty much it for today. Thank you. Bye.